So when you have to go to the junkyard or salvage yard, it's always a good idea to bring all your tools, not just what you think you're going to need, because sometimes you find treasures and you won't have the tools for it. So today I was just looking for a drive shaft, and literally all I knew I could need would probably be a 7/16 wrench and a pry bar. But I took all my tools. After I found the drive shaft I need, I found some gold. Well, gold for me. So my Dodge Ram here is my workhorse. Tow with it, haul with it, do all that. I actually really love this truck. And they aren't super common in the salvage yards around where I live. But when I was out there searching, I found this. So for y'all who don't know, these trucks came factory with what's called a load floor. So without the load floor, you just have this little storage area. And somebody had given me some carpeted tops for a newer generation truck, and I modified and made my own brackets, and those worked fine. But the load floor, it covers everything, but then you open it up and it's a flat floor all the way across to put extra items. And it has these tie bars that you can secure stuff to. Now, if I didn't bring all my tools, I wouldn't have been able to take this with me. And I don't know how expensive they are. I've never looked for one because it wasn't that big of a deal. But the fact that I found one, and with my drive shaft and this, it was only 50 bucks. That's pretty freaking cool. Even has the little shocks to hold it open. And my truck, surprisingly, even has the factory snaps down here for the hold downs, so it won't rattle around. So that's just a quick reminder. Make sure you take all your tools when you're going to the salvage yard, because there's always cool stuff to be found. And you don't want to go wishing that you had that, because it never fails. If you're just going to say, oh, I'll go get back and get it later, it's not going to be there. So till next time, go have fun in your local wrecking yard, salvage yard, junkyard, whatever.